NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Sloppy Joe hot dogs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are hot dog buns, 1 pound of ground beef, hot dogs, sliced cheese, 1 small onion diced, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1/8 cup of yellow mustard, 1/8 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. In a heated pan, we're going to add in our olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. And we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it down. Make sure you combine it with your onion. Now we're going to season our ground beef. I'm going to go in with my adobo, my onion powder, garlic powder, and ground black pepper. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and you want to cook your ground beef until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once all the grease is drained, you want to go ahead and add in your ketchup, your brown sugar, and we're going to also add in our yellow mustard. Now we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Heat on medium. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and turn off your heat. Okay guys, so now I'm going to place our hot dogs onto the grill. Go ahead and let them cook. I'm going to place the lid back over top. And guys, this is my George Foreman indoor-outdoor grill. May he rest in peace. You can use this 2 ways. You can use it on a stand, or you can use it on the countertop. So it's a really nice grill. So as you can see, our hot dogs are cooking up nicely. Okay guys, our hot dogs are now done, so you can remove them from the grill. Okay guys, now you want to put your hot dog buns onto the grill so they can get nice and toasty. Once they have grill marks, like so, you want to go ahead and place a slice of cheese onto them before you remove them. Okay guys, your cheese should be nice and melted, so now all we're going to do is spoon our Sloppy Joe over top. When you're done, we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes on. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Sloppy Joe hot dogs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.